Hello everyone, welcome back to Pooja's recipes. Let's make today a very tasty sabji of mushroom. Like mushroom is really very healthy for us. It has loads of water content also, and I'm going to make mushroom masala with paneer. That sounds also very exciting. It's a very sabji with gravy, very nice gravy. You can enjoy with naan, jeera rice, roti. So let's start making the gravy first. I'll show you the ingredients. These are 3 sliced onions. I've sliced them. 2 tomatoes chopped. These are almost 250 grams to 300 grams of mushrooms. I've peeled them. Actually they just turn very quickly, this brownish. I've peeled them and washed them in water, salty water properly. And this is 100 to 150 grams of paneer, cubes of paneer. This is beaten curd, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Ginger, green chili, garlic. These are whole garam masala, everything. Bay leaves, cinnamon stick, cloves, black peppercorns and cardamoms. Salt, all these basic masalas. Jeera, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala. Red chili powder, this is Kashmiri one. If you have, you can use it to give it a very good color. Oil, little bit of ghee if you want to, this is optional. And kasuri methi. So let's start making the gravy first. I've started the flame, adding oil now, around 2 big spoons of oil and little bit of ghee, almost half a teaspoon of ghee, that's it. This next comes cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon almost, cumin seeds. Next will go this garlic. The finely chopped, this is just roughly chopped garlic because we are going to anyway grind this gravy. Keep the flame on slow. Just cook it for a few seconds. And then it will go ginger and 1 green chili. Again for few seconds. Next, these onions will go, sliced onions. We're going to roast these onions just for 2 to 3 minutes until they turn little bit brown. Not too much, just for 2-3 minutes. These onions are brown now, as you can see. I'm going to add these dry masalas. Haldi, 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder, around 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 2 teaspoons. And again mix it well. Just for a few seconds. Adding tomatoes now. These are roughly chopped tomatoes. This masala we have to cook nicely. Then the sabji will be really quick. If this masala is cooked, it's going to taste very good. Keep roasting for a few minutes on medium-high flame. Few minutes now. I've roasted this masala. I'm going to add the salt now. Little bit of salt. And this beaten curd. This is around 2 tablespoons. Just mix it quickly on high flame. This masala will be ready in few minutes, then we are going to grind this. This masala is cooked now. See the color, wonderful color. I've switched off the flame. I'm going to use this hand blender to grind this masala. If you want, you can transfer it in your blending mixie or anything, then you can grind it. I'm just going to grind this straight away. I'm adding some oil now in this different pan. And to this, let the oil heat up. We are going to add all these whole masalas and again roast it for a little bit. This sabji is almost ready. We're just going to go with some steps and then it will be ready. Keep the flame low. Next I'm going to add this Kashmiri red chili powder for a very good color. See the color? Little bit of haldi also, little bit. Just mix it. And I'm going to add these mushrooms to it now. Just quickly mix it. We are going to add salt later because otherwise it's going to leave the moisture. And along with these, I'm going to add these paneer cubes also. These are like few minutes now. I've just tossed them. Now I'm going to add this gravy which we have made. Wow, it's very nice, very thick, also very nice. Color is also really good and it smells very awesome. We're going to just add a little bit of water to finish this. The masala which is stuck to the cooker. Wow, look at the consistency. It looks wonderful. This paneer is also looking very good. Now I'm going to add salt to it. Just for a few minutes. These mushrooms are very tender, so they cook very easily. Just in few minutes this will be ready. See, this sabji is ready. Wonderful sabji. See the consistency, color. I'm going to finish this with kasuri methi. Just roll between your palms, rub it, and then just sprinkle it around the sabji. Wow. And little bit of this garam masala powder, very little bit. And here comes my favorite, coriander leaves, and we are going to switch off the flame. I'm going to serve this quickly. See, I have served this sabji. How wonderful it looks, very creamy. Just little bit of coriander, and you can see the consistency, the gravy. It looks wonderful. Mushrooms, paneer together. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do try and comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.